You're absolutely right, Nadine. And this is such a busy time of year for people to be traveling. Of course, I know a lot of people probably finishing up work tomorrow and then heading off to visit family and friends this weekend. So this storm coming through has really bad timing. Now, for Friday morning, we've got snow in the north. So Muskoka, Wyerton, you're in the blue. This line right here, this pink line, this is where we're concerned. Guelph, over towards Kitchener, Waterloo, Hamilton. We're seeing a bit of a mix as well as potential for freezing rain. So this is round one. We've got a few rounds of storms coming this weekend. Into Saturday, we've got about 10 to 20 millimeters of rain for Toronto. But for Friday afternoon, we are looking at this mixing line and the potential for freezing rain. So these are the zones where just concerned we could get some ice accretion on the roads. And if that happens on power lines, it could cause a huge problem as well. Notice for Toronto, we're in about the 5 centimeter range for snow, but that's because we're getting the mixing and the potential for freezing rain. Let's take you now to this. This is in Mississauga. Oh, this is such a busy time for FedEx and for planes, Nadine. I know, and it's always such a headache when you get to the airport and you see canceled or delayed for your flights. But the thing is, this is a potential as we head into this weekend. Now, for Friday, we've got that risk of freezing rain for Hamilton and Toronto for the morning, and then things sort of clear out into the afternoon in terms of that rainfall. For Saturday, we get a bit of a lull, but then it's followed by another system. So this is considered round two. And this just blankets southern Ontario, extends into Atlantic Canada, and eventually Newfoundland by Monday. We're more in the clear. Take a look at temperatures. Temperatures are really part of the problem because we're right around that freezing line. Friday in Toronto's 2 degrees, but Saturday -1. Let's take you now to Vancouver. The snowfall warning does include Metro Vancouver, Howe Sound, Fraser Valley. So this is the whole area that's blanketed in the snowfall warning. For Vancouver, it's on the 5 centimeter end for you. For snow, for Stewart, it could be 20 centimeters. But note in through the interior, we're looking at 15 to 30. So this begins after midnight for the lower mainland into your Friday morning commute. It's going to be a mess. Overnight, Vancouver around the freezing mark, feeling closer to -3. We are not warming up along the west coast until we head into your weekend forecast. And here's the timing on it moving through. Overnight, Friday, notice that, but then another system making its way in for your weekend. As we look at temperatures, will be a nice seasonal 6 degrees in Vancouver for Sunday with rain. Stay tuned. Our storm watch coverage continues. We'll update you on what's happening in southern Ontario with freezing rain. And that's right. It is definitely messy from Friday right into Sunday with a few breaks in between, but not anything major. So Friday morning, expect snow from Muskoka up to North Bay over towards Ottawa. Ottawa, you're actually seeing about 10 centimeters of snow through your Friday. And here's that line, that pink line, Guelph, Toronto, where we could be seeing some freezing rain into Friday morning, and then it's rain towards the south. This is the freezing rain warning we have in place. Note Hamilton's included, Kitchener, all the way towards Belleville and Kingston. Through Saturday morning. This is the rain that we're getting, but it's really hard to sort of forecast this because we get some mixing as well, and we also have some snow. So this is Friday afternoon. Notice we still have that mixing line, and this is the potential for snow. We'll be in Storm Watch here at the Weather Network, tracking the storm in BC and Ontario.